Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. For Tuesday the 20th of May, I'm going to move on to euro dollar now. And euro dollar continues to basically just consolidate. Having had this big correction since the ECB meeting, it's now forming some consolidation now around this 144-day moving average. I've zoomed out fairly strongly here to almost a year, but just to show you that how once more how the 144-day moving average acts as the basis of support, but also to show you that it hasn't been falling since September last year, and now zooming in is showing it just coming off the top there, so just beginning to fall away. And I think that is just reflective of the pressure that the euro is under at the moment. The momentum indicators remain fairly negative on the euro, and there's no major sign yet, I don't think, of any real recovery going on. The intraday chart is still showing that there is a possible, I say possible, head and shoulders reversal with the head there and the right hand shoulder there, but it still is a big resistance around that 37.34 mark. 37.34 was where it hit yesterday on the high, but even if it got through there, I would say that there's a big resistance around 37.35. This is zoomed out across the last month or so, 6 weeks, and shows here how that support there, 37.35, became resistance in a few days ago. And that is the big resistance that we're now seeing on this chart. So 37.35 is the big resistance, but at the moment, once more we've shied away from that 37.34 possible completion of that base pattern, and it actually hit 36.82, which was basically just underneath that 36.84. So you'd say that that is still the level of support there for the right hand shoulder, but I would say probably another dip below 36.84 would then suggest that we're probably going to go back and retest that 36.47 low. I still think that the euro is going to be putting pressure on these supports. I'm seeing that any sort of rallies in the euro dollar are a chance to sell, as I do not expect too much bounce on the upside before the sellers come storming back in. Momentum indicators on the hourly chart, this is still in bearish configuration. RSI falls over below around about that 60 point again yesterday to come back into towards oversold, which suggests a negative configuration. MACD lines barely get above the neutral line without finding some selling pressure, so it would suggest that rallies are chances to sell, and that is what is happening at the moment, so just bear that in mind today. Okay, so I wish you good luck in your trading on euro dollar, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.